Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Maria here with us this afternoon. And Maria is a Houstonian, and she's been watching us on YouTube for how long?
Almost 2 years.
2 years, and I asked her what took her so long. She said she got pregnant in the meantime. I said, well, we take care of pregnant ladies too, but she didn't know that. So we're going to check her out now. I've already done her orthopedic neurological examination, which you can see in previous videos that I've done. And she checks out good orthopedic and neurologically. She doesn't have any deficits either orthopedically or neurologically, so we're going to check her for biomechanical issues right now. I'm going to have you close your eyes, Maria, and bend your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. Yep, take a look at that. See, your head's a little forward and a little bit over to the right of center. See how your right shoulder looks lower? Your right hand looks a little longer? People from New York are going to love you. We see a lot of people from New York. If you're in New York City, hello, welcome to Houston. Okay, let's your pelvis shifted to the right of center as well. So we're going to give her her very first adjustment of her life. We're going to start off by doing that on the BioPhysics table, which we now have working again. We were primitive chiropractic, advanced chiropractic a while ago. The electricity in the building went out. But now we got things cranked back up. Legs are even. That tightens up a little bit though, doesn't it?
Yes.
So she has a left SI joint out right there. I can feel it. Okay. A little more substantial in person than it is on YouTube.
Yeah.
There's L5. That's her last vertebrae. L4. Now she has every one of these lumbar spine vertebrae retrolestes, which means they have slipped backwards. And that's where the nerves are. There we go. That's lower thoracics.
Oh my God.
Mid thoracics. I gotta be quiet while I'm adjusting. All the crack eggs get mad at me if I talk while I'm adjusting. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust your neck from P to A. Slide down this way just a little bit, please, honey. There. There's C6, C7. I know you felt that one. And there's T1, T2. Let's turn you on your back now. Now she's got enough of a forward head posture. I'm actually dropping down to T1, T2 to bring her whole head and neck back up over her thoracic spine where it's supposed to be. Okay. Pulling her head up and back now on the x-axis, rotating it backwards. There we go. Now slide down this way about an inch. And now put your arms straight out and face the palms up. Right now I'm adjusting her shoulders, her clavicles, and her anterior ribs. There we go. I think I just adjusted the new World Trade Center. There we go. Now you should have felt that all the way up to your back. Did you?
Yeah.
Very good. Adjusted your ankle. She's been having ankle pain, knee pain, so we adjusted those. Let's set you up face towards Joseph for a second. There we go. All right. Just relax this. Yep. Good cavitation on both your shoulders. That's the popping noise that you hear. Okay, just let this go limp. Perfect. Noisy all over, huh?
Yes.
You've been needing this for a long time.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to come over here, Maria, and I'm going put you in the inertial extensibilizer. Just lay you on your back here. Yep. Now these pins are going to feel really tight, and they're supposed to. Slide down this way just a tiny bit for me, please. There you go. That's it. Everything's working now, finally. That's good. I was doing some primitive chiropractic adjustments earlier when the electricity was off. Should have done some videos then. There we go. I don't know what these chiropractors do. They just do E-stim and diathermy and all that do when the electricity goes out. Okay, breathe and relax. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yep. That's a typical first reaction.
Oh my god, wow.
Yep, that's a wowzer adjustment.
Oh,
That's shock and awe.
yes it is.
But you're still kicking, you're alright.
Oh wow.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a check your cervicals. Now see how it's locked up right there? And right here. Perfect.
Oh my god.
Good job. Did I miss any?
Wow.
That's what people love about coming here is I adjust everything. And there's chiropractors that get on and say, oh, he's not specific, that's not right. Well, guess what? The entire spine works together, and so does the entire body for that matter, biomechanically. So I am adjusting everything from head to toe because it needs to all be moved back in position. Let's close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards again. And then neutral. Alright, so take a look now. So you're still a little bit right, so hold these there. We're going to bring your head here, and we're going to translate you a little bit this way. Now look up. Good. Now relax and try that same thing again, Maria. It should feel smoother this time.
Oh, yes.
Don't flip your hair. That's what ladies do a lot. They box their necks out all the time. Okay, so what would you have to tell our YouTube subscribers about your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
It's amazing. Wow. It's been a long time. I've been waiting for this. Thank you.
Yeah,
Dr.
you're
Jones.
welcome. Thank you for sharing your first experience with
Thank you.
people. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas with Maria and Joseph and Renee today. We'll see y'all soon.